Welcome to the Design Master HVAC video tutorial series. This series will show you how to start a new project, use alignment points in your drawings, define your building and perform load calculations, create and manage diffusers, insert and modify ductwork, and perform advanced ductwork techniques. If you'd like to follow along, links to the written tutorial and project files can be found at the bottom of this page. This video covers diffusers. Topics include creating diffusers, inserting them on the drawing, making modifications, setting the airflow, and inserting the diffuser project schedule on the drawing. Let's get started. Before we can place diffusers on the drawing, they must be defined using the diffuser project schedule command. In this dialog box, we can set the block, CFM range, airflow type, dimensions, and more. Press the New button to create a diffuser, which we'll call SD1. Press the Select Block button and set the block to round ceiling. Next, set the CFM max to 400 and the face dimensions to 24. Press the Save button to save your changes. Now we need to make another diffuser. This diffuser, named CD1, uses the square ceiling block, has its CFM max set to 200, and its face dimensions set to 24. Save your changes, then press the Copy button to make another diffuser with the same settings, named CD2. Set the CFM range from 201 to 400, and save your changes. Use the Previous and Next buttons or the Find button to return to CD1. Press the Copy button to make another diffuser named RG1. Set the CFM max to 800 and the airflow to return. Then save your changes and close the dialog box. Diffusers are inserted on the drawing with the Insert Diffuser command. Here, you can select the diffuser to insert, its airflow and location, and layer system. You can also press the Edit button to make changes to the selected diffuser in the schedule. Select diffuser CD1 and press the OK button. Specify an insertion point and rotation angle for the diffuser. Place as many diffusers as you need, then press Enter to finish the command. You can also use the AutoCAD Move and Copy commands. Once your drawing looks like this, run the Insert Diffuser command again. Select RG1 and begin inserting this diffuser on the drawing. Your drawing should look like this when you finish. These callouts may be difficult to read when we insert the ductwork later. They can be moved using the Insert or Move callout command. Simply select the diffuser or callout and specify a new location. You can make changes to diffusers on the drawing with the Query Diffuser command. We'll modify this diffuser. Set the callout from CD1 to SD1 and press the OK button. The diffuser is updated on the drawing automatically. You can also make changes to several diffusers at once using the Edit Multiple Diffusers command. Here, we'll change the airflow for these diffusers from 0 to 200. Run the Edit Multiple Diffusers command again. Select the other CD1 diffusers in the lobby and change the airflow to 100. While manually setting the airflow for each diffuser is one option, you can also set a total airflow value to be distributed among multiple diffusers. For projects where rooms have been defined and the load calculations have been performed in Design Master, you can use the Set CFM Total in a Room command. This dialog box shows the airflow requirements for the room based upon the load calculations we performed in Part 2. The required CFM is automatically entered for the new CFM and new return CFM fields, which can be set manually. Set both fields to 1200. These values will be distributed among the supply and return diffusers in the room. If average CFM is selected, the airflow will be distributed evenly. If prorate CFM is selected, any proportional differences between diffusers will be maintained. As you can see, rather than increase each diffuser's airflow by the same amount, the increase occurs as a percentage or ratio. In this case, 10% of the previous airflow. In addition, because the increased airflow put these diffusers over the maximum CFM value for CD1, they were automatically changed to CD2. Even if you don't use Design Master for your load calculations, you can still set the airflow for an area using the Set CFM Total in Multiple Diffusers command. Select the diffusers, set the CFM and distribution method, and press the OK button. The airflow you set will be distributed among the diffusers you selected. To insert the diffuser project schedule on the drawing, use the Insert Diffuser Schedule command. This dialog box allows you to configure the schedule settings, including what information is displayed. Check the Show Unused Diffusers option. If this is unchecked, only diffusers that have been inserted on the drawing will appear in the schedule. We'll use the default settings for the rest. Press the OK button. You will be prompted to specify a location on the drawing. The top left corner of the schedule will be inserted at this point. When changes are made in the project, the schedule must be updated. Run the Diffuser Project Schedule command. Create a new diffuser named CD3 and close the dialog box. To show this new fixture on the schedule, run the Insert Diffuser Schedule command again. Press the OK button, and the schedule will show the most recent information. To make changes to the schedule itself, run the Insert Diffuser Schedule command again, and press the Edit Title, Column Labels, and Column Order button. Here, you can set whether each column is displayed, the column heading, and its width and justification. In the callout row, set the column heading to Type. Then, for quantity, uncheck the display box. Press the OK button, then the OK button again, and the schedule will be updated to reflect the changes. This concludes Part 3 of the HVAC video tutorial series. In the next video, we'll cover how to insert and modify ductwork.